I came for a peaceful walk and found wild creatures and calm chaos in the heart of Bangkok. From Lumphini's green escape to Benchakitti's futuristic beauty, scenery, stories, and street food, all in one epic walk. And yes, I ate my way through it, of course. This is not the Bangkok you think you know. Bangkok might be known for its bustling streets and neon lights, but today I am taking you on a peaceful escape right in the heart of the city. It's like Central Park with a Thai twist.
Hey everyone, it's me, Fidel. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm in Bangkok and I have come to visit Lumphini Park and Benchakitti Park. It's in Silom. You can take an MRT to reach here or a bus from wherever it's feasible for you. And it's a very big park. These are two parks joined together by a corridor. Let's see, let's walk around.
Giant monitor lizards casually roaming around. I wasn't ready to meet a real life dinosaur today, but here we are.
This is a huge park amidst the high-rise buildings deep inside Bangkok. You can't believe, they have this whole collection of flora and fauna. Lots of trees, lake, monitor, lizards, turtles, birds, ravens, everything is in here. Such a peaceful place, such a relaxing place to be here.
The vibe here, super chill. Locals walking out, relaxing, soaking in nature. It's a total contrast to the chaos just outside the gates.
So as you can see, there is the connecting bridge that connects Lumphini Park to Benchakitti Park. This connection is marvelous. Let's go. Such a beautiful view from the overbridge that connects to Benjakitti. Just to walk and just to connect two parks. Here, the Lumphini Park, and this way, Benchakitti Park. And a cafe if you're thirsty. Right beside the bridge, you can see colonies of houses and people. So we have reached Benchakitti Park. That was a long walk, and this is also a bridge called a Skywalk of Benjakitti. So we'll be walking through here. So let's go.
Wow, it's like stepping into a movie set.
Such an amazing scenery, such a beautiful park. Look at this place. And this is the Skywalk right above the Benchakitti Park. It leads from Lumphini Park to Benchakitti Park. Vehicles passing by down below. A must visit place when you're in Bangkok for some leisure activities.
Lumphini, Benjakitti, two parks, one perfect escape in Bangkok.
Trust me, I'm so very tired. I just don't want to move anymore. I just want to sit here, spend the night deep inside Benchakitti. It's not a park. It's so big, it looks like forest. I just can't walk anymore. I've been walking from in Lumphini Park through the Skywalk, now in Benchakitti Park, and I need to finish this video and then I have to eat something. This is hard work, you know. This is hard work. This is the scene under the Skywalk. Ooh, look at the view. These are very unique flowers, never seen before. Same goes with this. Good place to relax. Made of wood. Benjakitti Park it's quite beautiful and it's quite big. It's already evening. Let's finish our day. Let's eat something.
Benjakitti is newer, more modern. Think wide open spaces, stunning water views, and a killer sunset if you time it right. I could stay here all day and through the night. It's so peaceful, but all that walking woke me up an appetite.
I mean, look at this place just behind me inside Benjakitti Park. I mean, such a huge area, such a huge complex. Wow, look at that. Amazing, right? I mean, it's like a long alley, long corridor, and like something is going to pass through here. But no, it's just for walking around. So they have restaurant, meeting room, plenary room, ballroom, business center, sports fair, food and beverage center, retail shop, general services, parking, food court, everything is here. It's like, I think it's the entrance to Benjakitti Park because we came through Lumphini Park and we are getting out from Benjakitti Park. There's some construction going on still. They have a coffee shop, they have a pharmacy, and my favorite, 7-Eleven. Let's go inside. I mean, this is a big one. This is a big size 7-Eleven. I'll get this too. Yeah. No, we'll pay cash. It's 60. So we got some banana flavored milk and riceberry mixed jasmine rice with spicy chicken breast salad. This is quite new for me, so I'm going to try this. Wow, this looks quite delicious and smells so good. I mean, the salad, wow. We got broccoli and we got some carrots, I think some spring onion, chilies, and this is the rice. I mean, this is jasmine rice. Oh, it smells so good. I will just start with the rice first. Jasmine rice. Ah, it's good. Oh, the rice is so well cooked. I mean, all the pulses are separated. They're so well cooked. It's tasty. I mean, only the rice is tasty. Let's mix some chicken. Oh. Spicy chicken breast. So this is chicken breast chopped into fine pieces, mixed with onion, chili, vinegar. Wow, tastes amazing. It's spicy, the flavor of onions. Wow, I think the chilies are pickled chilies, it seems, and the smell, the taste of vinegar, awesome. It's real tasty. Let's have the salad. The carrot first. Oh, well cooked. Melts in your mouth. The broccoli. I love broccoli. Most people don't, but I do. Amazing, amazing. Some rice to go along with it. Oh. Wow. You know, it took us around 2 to 3 hours to complete Lumphini Park and Benjakitti Park. And we are in this complex now. I think this is the entrance and the complex together. They have many levels. I mean, they have basement, below them, they have underground levels. And they have first floor, second floor. We are in the ground floor now, and we ordered this from 7-Eleven. So we are going to explore the other levels also. Let's see what we can get. And really, it was amazing. It was tiresome, and I was very, very hungry. I was thirsty too. And I got this banana flavored milk. So let's give this a go. Always mix your juice and then sip it. Oh, banana, milk. Oh, perfect. Amazing taste, amazing taste. So refreshing, not so sweet. It's like homemade. Wow. You should try this raspberry jasmine rice with chicken breast, spicy chicken breast in 7-Eleven when you come to Bangkok. Look at this. It looks so colorful, so vibrant, so flavorful, and it smells so good. Amazing, amazing. Okay, they also have a KFC here. Still construction is going on. I don't know what this is supposed to be because they have the numbers 5 and there's 4, 6, 7. I don't know what's the meaning of that, but still going on construction. This is the entrance, it seems. Not yet open. Look at that. That's quite an art. Quite eye-catching. Beautiful. Wow, what a beautiful art. I think it's made of clothes, different types, different colored clothes. So this is Queen Sirikit National Convention Center. I thought it is a part of Benjakitti Park, but it's not. I was mistaken, but this is amazing. That's what exploring means, you know. You don't get to know things until you explore it. Now we are going to catch a train to Chinatown. We're gonna try some food there, and do like and subscribe. I'd like to hear from you, so please do comment. And I'll be making more food videos, so stay tuned. See you in the next video.